gang. Today's video is a requested video. I'm sorry that it took so long for me to do it, but here it is. I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna put your comment right here who requested it. I thought that was a really good idea to ask me, but to be honest with you, my laundry routine is pretty much simple as heck. So I'm gonna get into my laundry routine, but first and foremost, if you are already subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below for me. Make sure you thumbs this video up and make sure you tell me what you want to see next in the comments, okay? And let's just get into the video. Okay, so first things first, we got the cycle going. We start up our washing machine. I wash my clothes in cold water because cold water, it just keeps your clothes from shrinking. That's one, because if you wash your clothes in hot water, your clothes will shrink. Wash them in cold water so they won't shrink. So cold water, you got the cold water going. It's getting ready to soak the clothes so they can be washed. The first thing I like to do is all of the products you're gonna see is cheap, okay? Very, very affordable. I got them from Dollar General, okay? Is this. I don't care what nobody says about the extra laundry soap, but it gets my clothes clean, okay? I wash my load and all my clothes are clean, like gets all the stains out. So I really, really like this. So this one is Tropical Passion. So I'm gonna go ahead and smell it for y'all. Just, you know, it's a good scent. It's a good scent, but the scent doesn't come from this. This is what gets my clothes really clean. And when your clothes are clean, your clothes have to be clean for them to smell good. So when your clothes are clean, they gonna smell good. After that, then what you want to do is you want to take these little scent booster beads, whatever you want to call them, and let me tell you, I want to say it was like $5 for this. I'm not sure, but it's the Dollar General brand, and it says you could compare it to Downy. You know what was crazy? The Downy was cheaper than this, and this is the off-brand version. But the only reason that being is the only reason why I didn't get the Downy one is because it wasn't anymore. And I really like the scent of this one. So this stuff smells so strong and so good. I'll be excited to do laundry, okay? What you do is while it's washing, while it's letting the water down into the clothes on the first, you know, so you start the cycle, you add this. I add like of the laundry soap, I add about 2-3 cups because I want my clothes to get really, really soapy and really clean. And then I add, I don't know, I freehand pour these in there and you let it wash. And oh my gosh, I stopped smelling this, but you let it wash and then it just gives it an extra scent. So I do that on that one to rinse the clothes. So then that's when I go in again and I add a little bit more of these. This seems a little bit extra, but if you really want your clothes to smell good, you have to do this part. You just have to. Bottom line, period. And then I go in. Now this stuff, I love this. I started off buying these from the dollar store. They have the skinny bottles that you buy from dollar store. You actually get a lot for $1. But I want to get a bigger one. Suavitel. I said Swanatail. Y'all excuse me. Suavitel Complete. And it's color protection. It has all of these things here. Color protection, fewer wrinkles, advanced softening, and resistible freshness. So this stuff does last in your clothes. Like if you use your clothes are gonna smell fresh. Like you can take off something and it'll still smell the same way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. On your rinse cycle, you want to put this Suavitel and this in the rinse cycle, and then let it do its thing, rinse, squeeze out, and then out of the washing machine is your fresh, clean clothes. It's completely up to you if you want to go and you want to dry your clothes in the dryer. Me, recently, pretty much for a while now, I've been hang drying my clothes. The only reason being why is your clothes last a lot longer. They won't shrink, and the smell stays strong. Like the smell is just way stronger if you hang dry your clothes. You're gonna notice that they last longer, they smell better, and they don't shrink. So try hang drying and come back and thank your girl. Now that's pretty much it. I don't really have like no really like in-depth, like really, really hard routine. It's actually simple. It's extra but simple at the same time. So if you guys like this video, make sure you thumbs it up, comment down below what you want to see next, and please make sure you subscribe and tell everybody you know about your girl. Until next time, pretty gang, peace.